The Philippines has always been known for its rich environment, but through decades, the air pollution from cities and infrastructure has tarnished them greatly, causing numerous effects on people's health, making cities rich in air pollution like Metro Manila an unhealthy place to live in. Transportation is the backbone of a global network that trades over 18 trillion worth of goods and moves the world population over 81 trillion kilometers every year. The system also impacts the climate. As of 2015, transportation accounted for 23% of the world's greenhouse gas emissions. According to the research of Dagon Meta 2022, the emission of pollutants from vehicles are generally low, but the numbers of vehicles are increasing on the road. Therefore, the environmental pollutions are also increases. About 35% of carbon monoxide, 30% of hydrocarbons, and 25% of nitrogen oxide produced into the atmosphere is from the transportation sector. These pollutants have adverse effect on the environment and human health. As an innovative researchers, we came up to the idea that aims to reduce the level of air pollution from automobiles. Furthermore, with our proposed eco-friendly double filtration concept, which reduces the pollutant from the released poisonous or undesired polluted gas through surfactants, water, and activated charcoal.